Up, guys, today I got ready. I have my PE clothes on because I have basketball practice right after this in a little bit, like half an hour. And I still need to do my hair, but like, oh my god, what's this thing? Still need to do my hair, but you guys, I was like a little bored. I said, whatever, if I can't do my hair, I'll just do a ponytail. So, I'm just gonna be just gonna be looking or reviewing at my slime that I have. So yeah, that's all we're gonna be doing right now. And I have a blanket on because it is so cold. I wish I could go like this, but then I can't poke the slime. So yeah. Whoa, that's pretty sticky. But really loud pokes. Okay, that's pretty sticky. It's really cold. Yeah, I think we should put a little bit of activator. I'm gonna put some on my finger. I just put like 2 drops. Legit. Oh, that's all I needed. Just need the activator in, and I just wish this could be warm, but it is so freezing cold. But I gotta just deal with it now. So cold. My god! Guys, it's so cold, you guys don't even understand. It's like ice. How your hands feel like when you have ice, they feel numb. I'm not even poking the slime right because I can't. It's so small. Alright. Oh, that was bad. That was the worst cracks ever. It is so cold, guys. I can't even poke the slime right. It's just probably triggering people, but you know. I'm just gonna try to make a bubble and then we'll go on to the next slime. Oh, okay, whatever, that was a fail. And next slime. Alright guys, so this was the one that I was just playing with. So let's move that one to the side. There we go. This is a green yucky poop color that I just really don't. I kind of like the texture. No, I don't like the texture of this. It's really just too nasty. I don't know. I'm kind of. It's like in the middle. What I added in this one is a little bit of Daiso clay, and then I added some of that green thing that's like for flowers, fake flowers. I don't know. It's like green. It's this thing in this flower thingy. Yeah, whatever. Okay, my hair is gonna get sticky. Okay, why does this camera thingy always do this? I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna scoot over. I really just said shh to myself. I don't know if you guys could hear the laundry mat thingy, but if you can, I am sorry. So cold. Okay, well, next up, we have this clear thing, and it is really, small, And this was when I was trying to make putty. So yeah, it's not slime, it's putty, and it's really like actually pretty. I was in that. Okay, that's hard. Really hard, guys. I can't do it. I could kind of bounce. I'm trying to make a bouncy ball. Okay, just hold on. My sister's here, so she's gonna join in. So my sister's joining in. And next, because this is really dang, she has an undershirt on because this thing won't zip. It won't zip, so whatever. Next up, we have this.
It's melted.
This. Oh, we have activator here, so if it is melted, we could add some activators. But I think, ew, there's a hair. It's nasty. Okay, I love this slime. It's like a milk slime. It's really glossy. You can't really see it because it's dark, and I barely woke up, and it's like, oh my gosh, I love milk slime. Milk slime is one of my favorites. Oh, I love milk slime. Milk slime is just so thick. Oh, there's the light. Oh, but you turned on the fan, and it is already cold. Oh, it's cold. Please stop. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stick through it, and after this milk slime, we'll turn the light on.
Just so you guys could see your favorite slime.
I love milk slime so much.
Oh my god, look at that one. Are you gonna make
milk slime is the best slime. Okay.
Are you gonna make
Review time. It's review. ASMR.
Oh gosh.
I really love milk slime. It's one of my favorite slimes. Because I love how glossy it is. I don't know if you guys can see that through camera, but it's so glossy. And the crackalackles are the best. I said crackalackles because most people say it. And then everyone's saying it. So yeah.
Crackalackles.
And I just call pokes.
Pokey pokes.
Pokesy pokes. Yeah, I'm gonna call them pokesy pokes. Okay, so ASMR time with crackalackles and pokesy pokes. My hands are freezing, but whatever. Oh, come on. My phone only has 15% charge. Oh my gosh. One more crack and then next. Okay.
Yeah.
One more. ASMR.
Oh, not a puppy. Puppy again.
I love milk slime so much. Milk slime, milk slime. I usually put like I make a charm a Cheerio charm or a Fruit Loop charm or whatever, a cereal charm, and I put it in slime, but it's not white, it's kind of green.
It's like
Huh?
It's like a yellowish green color. It's like so white. It has some color to it.
So last, it's gonna be this pink slime. So cold. My sister didn't really want to play with slime because I told her they're cold.
No. I cold slime. Because my hands are warm, and then when I feel like the slime,
And she said she didn't want to play with it. She said she just wanted to say hi to you guys.
Is that hard or smooth?
No, it's because it has Daiso.
Oh, you put it in this.
It's butter slime.
Can I play with one of the slimes?
You want to?
Yeah, I want to feel the texture.
Which one?
The one that's not that sticky.
Which one? Because there's a clear putty one that is really hard. There's this pink one, there's a blue one, there's a green one, and there's this cereal slime. Which one?
The green one. Is the green one sticky?
To touch. Which one? The green one? This one?
Yeah.
Go ahead and play with it.
Okay, so this is like not a green, but like
I already reviewed it. So yeah. She just wanted to tell you that it was kind of like a blue-green not a turquoise though. No, I don't like the pokes from this one, but I love the bubbles and the thickness. It's just so thick.
it doesn't look like slime.
It's so thick, guys.
Oh yeah, silly good. This green one is really nice. This slime is so satisfying.
Oh, that was the worst. Ew. Well, that's all for today. Love you guys. I'm gonna try to make a heart for you guys. I love you guys. Peace. Hold up, I need to end with I love you guys so much. I love you guys. Bye. I will miss you.
So you can just do that.
But I need to end with the good crackles. I need to open my milk slime again because milk slime is everything.
Milk slime is life.
Thank you, car.
Very much.
And peace.
Out. Just
Oh my gosh, you ruined everything. I need to do it again.